my Ido brothers, my Ido youth, to see money, it's not easy. The little way you don't get now before your governor pass law. Your governor don't pass law. He don't sign the law. The small money you get so for the manager, come on for bad thing. All of them they cry and say they want to scatter Matthew Dekemwen house. Matthew Dekemwen house. They want to scatter a house. Now law will governor pass. I don't know if you come here and call the cost governor because you don't pass this law for more than 6 months. Before the carry bulldozer go there, say they want to scatter them. Government know the color. When I'm not going to talk, I say na politics, but when I'm not going to talk, nobody say he not pass the law more than 6 months ago. He passed the law. With the quarrel, I say they want to scatter house. It may come say the truth. People, they say people confess as they talk. But what I want to tell all my people, I beg all of you now. For we to see all those kind of big hotel, where they give person money. Where they give person money, they take it. They scatter like they pain us for. It depends us for our hearts. It depends us for our hearts. It they make us the tears for our hearts. No, I'm not you. I'm on my go here. But if you carry the money in evil way, you work the money in evil way. Now evil way go take you go back. So I come beg our youth, our brothers, our papa. Una see now, if they can carry bulldozer enter Iduoriyekemwen house, say because the law wey government pass, Okpebholo, it go against the law. They carry bulldozer enter there now. They want to scatter the house. My youth, small money will not get. Will not they manage. Will not come out for batting. If you get friends where they do that kind of thing, stay away clear from them. If you see services where Obaseki scatter Tony Kabaka hotel. Where Obaseki scatter Tony Kabaka hotel. Kabaka will not see where they play band for dance they go before. We can't see where they play dance band. All the Akpe Conga. I can't beg all my youth. I can't beg una. Even me so, if I depend for bad thing, as far as the governor don't pull law, I don't come out hand. It don't pour in the war. It make it anyway. No money government in me. Small property when I get for self-ministry, so I don't want me government collector. Me not feel blame my government now. I don't feel blame Okpebholo. Now we are the community want good. Now deal. Now we are the community want get peace. Now deal. I don't complain and say why I want scatter the house. Because he don't pass the law as a father of the father of Edo State. The second father in Edo State. Some people will call the first citizen. No. The second father of Edo State don't pass the law. Now so that's why I need my team as the father of the Edo State. I know if you go to choose for your hand. So with the small help when I get, with the voice where God they bless me, where some people go listen to, why some people go say what they talk for there. The small voice where God they bless me, when I talk to my people, where some will take. Now I can contribute, join this Okpebholo matter, governor of Edo State. My youth, my brothers, my brothers and my sisters. Okpebholo, now to stop crime, now they pass a law. I know if we call the cause now, say why they want to scatter my Iduoriyekemwen house. They say the law, they are against them. We ourselves know, say, iron hand, now they take change Benin man. No, see, what Baseki? Scatter Tony Kabaka hotel, I cry. But since when they scatter now, no see my brother, we will not see for comedy before. Because they do comedy. Because if they not banned for dance. Talk less you will not get money this half of that, my brother, way they not banned for dance today. So my brother beg, I dey beg una. Una come on for crime. Which one I know say go give una cry. Una come out around my brothers and my sisters. So me don't fit come here now. When I come to the sort of Okpebholo, say why I want to scatter the house. What? Would that be here? I might want to go now. Okay, don't yeah, is that far? Oh yes, oh what? Oh, so my brothers, I can't beg una. I not bring quarrel. I not come fight una. I not come curse una. The second in command, say our second father from Edo State. Some people go they call this first citizen. I don't know as my first citizen. My second citizen in the country from Edo State. He has passed a law for more than 2 months or 3 months to stop a crime in my father's land. You as a youth, as a man, deviate away from this evil acts. Deviate away from it. It will only cost you a pains when the governor handle anything in the society. So my brothers and my sisters, I don't come. Some people they see social media since yesterday. Some people they cry, why I want to scatter the house? Why I want to scatter? Now law when it pass is to stop the crime in the community. I don't know if you can name the type of the law when it pass. All of us see the video, even though we don't go school. As far as they say governor pass law, I must see, I go listen. Now broken English they speak, I go listen. I go enter my ear, I go put them for ear. The same way the country when I say government pass law, even though I don't know how to read them, I go find person who go read them when he go explain them for me, go do for my brain. When I don't go do according to what he talk. If I do, I will go jail. Since our governor passed law to our youth, now they destroy the society, now they destroy the community. You will not get small. We go change all those children's life. You see the thing that they do evil. You will not get small. We will tell the children to come out for bad thing. The governor no now, the law no pass it. Why la wow? Why I let he? Why for me with the wagwali munawe? You will see the small children. And government can pass the law 6 months ago when it come. He passed the law now. Una they cry now say one scatter house. Una they cry say one scatter house. But when he passed the law, many of them are not here. One are not come out and for that voting. If you read the do, I'm not saying they do. One are not come out and okay. Why can't they fight? Say them. Why can't they fight governor? Can't they cause them? Go back here. May not scatter my head before you carry Buddhas go there. Me waiting for social media, waiting for Europe now. I can't fight. Say I go why. Before you carry Buddhas go there, governor. This ain't only what they do. What Obaseki come is go scatter Tony Kabaka. They say that they bad boys they arm. That the law not did that time. No, they say that they say bad boys. Some of them go learn work. Some of them go do MC. Some of them go the not band for dance. You know not saying that time. They never pass all of that. I talk to say when it come now the first law when it pass. Even when it comes down for chair as a governor, when it comes, the first law when it pass for the society, people with the kidnap, people with the sponsor bad boys. If they should catch any of them, the ask with the money where they don't make for inside the party where they do, they will have to demolish it, they have to scatter it. In any way you make money for this life, you make an oral way now until they go house. I'm not talking like the bad way they make their money. I didn't make my example. Even when he sit down as a governor, he can't think the law when it go pass, we go take change his citizen. You not be stupid man. So my brothers, we there for Edo State. My fathers, we there for Edo State. I dey beg in the name of God. If we beg Okpebholo, we no may not scatter this house now. Me not scatter this hotel. We beg them, me not scatter now. He can't live on. They say when a papa don't talk, what he want to do for community. You know, they come out for that way point. So as he scatter now, for instance, he scatter now. You, where they are bought, where they put people for his house, where they say they're evil. You know, get them for my say if they see cash you, now they say they don't see it to you. So now, they say, I mean, we need to bar. No way they know they feel they live, my brothers. No way they know they feel they live, my brothers. Now, any money I can't drop this message. Those when you go listen, they go listen. Those when you go tell me, say, I don't know what they talk. They see plenty. Let me go to Ranomigo first. Because so many of we don't get Europe, pastor don't dominate. Yeah, pastors, fake pastors don't swear everywhere. They see fake native doctor like me. Like I be native doctor, they see fake native doctor, not be behind it, they see the fake one, when they see the original one. The same way pastors be. Benin man, and we know tradition right from childhood. It would take man to destroy the tradition. Sometimes, many of us would point for something, waiting with the plan, you know, would make the rich our hand in Jesus' name. Sometimes, many of us would point for something, make the rich our hand in Jesus' name, because of criticizing of church when it can't come. Like me, I be today. If police come my house today, if they want to show up for news, they'll say they see Ojudu for my house. Now, truth. Now, what I believe. Any Benin man, where they go in house, where they don't see Ojudu for the compound. You know, because of the Amigo, now they talk this word. And Amigo get what when they use. I don't want to emphasize with that for that word. Maybe they control the amount if they do any video where they do. So will not be that what I come for. My brothers, I come beg you now. Hey, you one, why you boy me down? Or we be no wine. Or you not bonio, all in your wa. All over Emma Mukwa, my baby. So in your party, wait I come beg you now. Those when they cry for social media. Una we they cry for social media, they want scatter pesi house, they want scatter pesi hotel. Make una quiet, I beg, una at house. What you not supposed to tell una brothers, una sisters. The time we governor passed this law 6 months ago, una no hear now. Many of the year I go see what you want to do. Now to stop the crime for your papa land. Now to command the bad boys for your papa land. Anywhere they gather, they must surely scatter waiting for inside Bible. As governor knows, say in this house that they scatter for there. Governor don't know say this house that they gather for there. He don't know say this hotel that they gather for there. He don't for inside Bible. Anywhere they gather, they must surely scatter. Who wants scatter them? Now governor will scatter the place where they for the do meeting. Or where they for the gather, where they kidnap people put. Now governor will scatter them as he did for inside Bible. So me know if he come out now, the quarrel with governor say why we go scatter that place. I know if he come out, say why governor go scatter that place. Anything we do for inside Bible, it dey happen for ordinary crime. Anywhere they gather, must surely scatter. Since governor don't put law, say anywhere these people, where they kidnap people, hater, where they do meeting, say the house should be demonic. He said the house should be demonic. So now me want to go tell governor now. She may not scatter the house. Governor will they talk to in the read Bible. He knows that we anywhere bad people together, they must surely scatter. So I come beg my brothers. Some more money will not get. We not we could not make. In any way not make una money. We not deviate away from bad boys. Now for the goodness of me and you, may the country take good for me and you. May they not kidnap our papa. Go they put for Shabush again. We will not come to pay fan. May our brothers know they buy themselves again. And for the goodness, may everywhere they safely. If not only one house you get now, they scatter your house. Before you feel build that house again, you come by chance of luck. Before you feel build that kind of house. If not only one house you get now, they can scatter your house. As country come hard now, before you come build them again, it go hard. So for that policy, my brother, my sister, more know the commonalized law we government put. More will not stick on the talk and say, now politics, no. More will not on the judge and sentiment, say now because of politics, no. He say if they fight because of courts, anywhere they kidnap person put, anywhere they gather, they will scatter the house. So if we see this kind of thing now, we don't pass the law, they bring bulldozers, they want scatter person house or hotel. Not be only one day, then they take government before they go carry bulldozer put for the house. So no go they call and say because this one day for this party, because this one day for this party. Assume now be now. Tell everybody where they call your hotel. Maybe they not call your hotel again. You know, saying that people want to correct your hotel. We want to stay for there. We know as hotel they operate. Not be hotel they operate, they will gather for outside. No. If you come hotel for Europe, you check in, you go there, you know the crowd, not the day for outside. I mean crowd the what? So they know as the hotel they operate. All those governors, they know as they control hotel. So, my brothers, the one ask where you get now. The one ask where you get. Where you don't manage build. That you don't work for those state land. You don't work at all. They don't pay you more salary when you build the house. Now what you take build on? You don't get where they poor head now, my brother. All those bad friends wanna gather their hand for one place. Avoid them away from body. 8 years too big. Maybe you get 3 picking and you get 5 picking for side Benin. And you know, say if they follow these bad boys, they work out, they can't cash you, they can't scatter your house. Where you want to put your children? In all day. I beg my brothers. I beg you now. Since when they pass this law now, it's not they go 6 months. Now, first one where they want to show is where they want to start to scatter, where they gather. It's there for side Bible. You say anywhere they gather, they shall only scatter. As they take talk, I'm saying Michael Iduoriyekemwen house, right? They gather. Now see they talk am. Wait to Kabaka, where Obaseki wants scatter a house. You see where bad boys they gather. Now see they scatter that one. Where will they come? As yet I pass the law. Oh, with this we despoil the community so. Now our youth. Now they say this our youth. Let they say may not put bad boys for house. Now this say our youth. Let they say may not kidnap again. Person go to go to Papa country go to fear. Person go to work out for street go to fear. The best way they'll take condemn, drive the enter house where everybody they do it home. Then they do so. I know if you can tell Obaseki say Okpebholo why want to scatter the house. No. It don't pass law. More will obey to the law. More come on for bad thing. You my brother where they look me. Come on for bad thing. Egi kidnap one. Egi do one mo. Do boy be done. Ye dag mo we making out. You boy be done or tell me no biani. Or tell me no kunu you boy be done. Fi we here me we get na fi we here. Why la Diana una call the crash he wants scatter house. He wants scatter house. Okpebholo, if now one bulldozer and get for that now, complete go back to the journal. If now one bulldozer and get Okpebholo, Governor Okpebholo, go back to the bulldozer. So I beg my brothers, I beg you now. They say pikin do omo ala na gbe tari yin. Come out and for that wall of now they do together. Your boy you war. You come out and for that thing when together they do. Come out and for his side. Now wait till they dey against for the land. Our papa come out. He lay cost on put. He lay cost put. No when you mobile warrior. Utoledo wagbe. Utoledo was a fire igbe. Governor come, he pull up. Now I think we wait till we there against for the society. bad children, we don't need them again. So if person come and say they want to scatter people, I say they abort people for them. Person like me will be traditional man. We our baba don't leak cause of put. Come on, come no more do you fight and like, but we work and like, but sagasaga all like again. Governor come put your own law. Now wait till we want make stuff for the community. So I don't feel come out now because they talk say. Now so the governor wants to scatter anywhere you wait for the see them. You need to scatter anywhere waiting for the seed them. Make the community for better. So, those ways the Thursday want to scatter my Iduoriyekemwen house. Meaning say, Michael Iduoriyekemwen, you know they do daily job. You know they do better jobs is there. You are not clean. Now they try to tell us so that way before governor go carry bulldozer go there. If you aren't clean, governor no carry bulldozer go there. For the law, when you read, may not happen for the country again. If you aren't clean. So, my brothers and my sisters, anyone where they do evil thing, come out and God don't bless many of you now through this wadu. Una just get 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom, that una not work more salary. Una set people land. Una beat people, una cost pay for people body. Many people will buy land 2 by 2, they don't get that today again. To work the money, give me they take work the money, give me they take on buy land. They hard. You know, get boys, we go to drag person land. All those things, now they say me come up for Benin land. Now land, you take start on. Now they drag people land. Now don't go deep for inside. Now governor don't read law. We not come out and for those bad things, what they do. If they carry people to face person house, now say, Lord, we government is kidnapping everything. I know come shot put to. Say they scatter us for Benin, they scatter us for Benin. Like me now, you know, governor don't carry put to the government house now. You know if we go. So you wait to do evil, where they carry put to your house. Or you wait they do the evil, where they want people to your house. Deviate away from it. If you get 3 pikin or you get 4 pikin now, they come put the come scatter your 3 bedroom flat. Before you go build them, they go hard. You know, see our brother, we about to say, he thought say like they say bad boys. Our brother come they play band for dance. Maybe your home, we manage big 3 rooms. That time you know where you go to. You know where you go there. You know where you go there that time. Maybe you know we see only ta go dance where you want for play band. You know, see a go dance where you want for play dance. You know, see well boy go dance where you want for play band. You know where you come that time. So for that simple reason, I come beg you now. While your boy will be there, you come out for bad thing. If your brother call you, say this one fuck up. Tell him he leave him. If you get with you the smoke, with your brother, if you don't smoke your brother, I will tell you, see this person fuck up, you say will go, no smoke him again. I dey beg all of you now. Or you wait for Europe here now, when man is built 2 flats. You dey harbor boys for your house. All the names you are there for the same system. They put them for your house. And you know as Europe adds, to get this money to build this house this time I had. Tell those boys when they go to their papa house. No be you born them. Tell them say you want to sell your house. May they go find their life. May they for come off for street, may they go do better thing. I dey beg all of you now. You know why I can't do my video now? I'm come out for bad things. All of us they cry and say they want to scatter my Iduoriyekemwen house. They want to scatter a house. They carry bulldozer go there. They just scatter this one now. Now me run come out, come beg my 2 brothers. Our governor, not to repair the community. Not to drive bad things come off for outside. As our papa swear. Me they come out for bad things. Our papa swear put. Now the swear where our papa swear me the people come out for bad things. Now the governors. Now they follow. Anywhere they kidnap people. Anywhere they do bad meeting. Anywhere where they pour ammunition. If they see the house where they put on, they have to debonic it. They go debonic them. So if you know say bad things dey for your house, as an adult man, go through where. If you put boys for your house, where you know say they do evil, you know for your house say that they do evil. Maybe you be system man, you be Owenbo man, or you be Owenbo man. You get 4 boys or 5 boys where they will follow you for side beneath. You be native, like native of the night, they get boys. Caution your boys, make they no go put one for bad thing. Because if they go put one for bad thing, they catch they don't see now you they do medicine for them. They must scatter your house. Different way, plenty way they scatter many houses. Now someone they review it on now. You get mechanic workshop. The boys where they teach work, you don't know them well. Try me you know them well because they catch anyone for road. That's your workshop, they go band and they will scatter around. You get house of church, then they see fake pastor. They go scatter that church. Why they name all of them for now, one by one. Now I say why I can't drop my video this morning. Because I know so many of them still come out this morning again. Why they want to scatter the house? Make una shut up, make una enter house. Make una shut up, make una get inside. No when you're more by what you are. You go back all of your weekend. So, my brothers, I did beg una, but the boy you be done it. I don't come here because of people say one scatter house because he passed the law. Now law where our boys go take command for batting, then they pass community. Europe they say they don't pass law, you cannot go above the law. If you go above the law, you go to jail. Okpebholo, thank you for your good job. Thank you for your good job. So now do well, make una even share the video in a short video. Today now holiday, public holiday for the whole world. All of us there for us today. No video, they come back. We'll come drop more video. But for this one, for this week, we concern our governor, Okpebholo. He don't pass his own law when he come. When I'm not going to listen to about Obade, that's when I'm about to about Obade, the time when they pass this law, daddy. If na better person about to be, if we can't tell them, say, una hear wetin governor talk, una hear wetin governor talk, not be so bad go come out and say governor wants scatter house because he passed the law. If Oba say he get sense, about Oba say he get sense, the time we governor pass the law, about here. So my brothers, while the boy you be done, while I will, while the boy you be done. If you see they there, see the same people, when they go to kidnap person, come, they collect money for their hand. Everything waiting for your house, go to one for River. All the ammunition when you go to one for River. Tell the boy say you don't get time with them. You invite the cars, collect all the ammunition for their hands, go to one for River. See many of them do their own. Because if they catch you, I'll tell Okpebholo, if they all catch that kind of person, both the pikin, both the wife, they all put all of the for jail. 21 years imprisonment. You will come add that one, journal. Made them for come out and made all of them for run for inside immediately. So thank you, Mother Okpebholo, for your good job, for the contributing of the society. I so much thank you. I respect people that say they will do it. I respect people that say they want to repair their father's land. I respect people that give their father land honor. May God bless you. May God give you good wisdom and knowledge to repair my father's community for me. So those who they cry for outside, no kuna they cry because governor don't pass this law 6 months ago. If you don't want me to affect you, come out and for batting. You boy you be done. No way we done me. Come out and for batting. Yes, it's not that we have governor. A governor who can pass a law and do to the law. He said, why kidnap? He said, well, I don't kidnap again. He said, anywhere where they see where they kidnap or where they gather. As it did for side Bible, say where they gather, they must always be scattered. Anywhere for the gather. Native daughter, if you get more than 4 boys, I beg. And when you come to now, we be native doctor now. We do for Sabini. Muna share here, go give them. If you get more than 4 boys, or you get more than 5 boys, we the language for your hands. Try me know the type of boys where they carry work out, where they teach work. Because if you don't quickly be house, you be native doctor. They catch all those boys for wrong way for outside. And they can't know say now you did the work, they learn work for your hand. You don't feel the nice say they learn work for your hand again. They'll say now you they do something for them. When they take what they do bad for outside, they must scatter your house, you must go jail. So if you get boys, try me, you know the type of boys where you get native doctor. Because native doctor, they get the one with the same river, they get the one with the same bush, they get the one with the same market. Now say when you give that one to my colleagues, or double now say when you give that one my co-workers. We're gonna take one side. So if you be mechanic, you get boys. Me, you know the type of boys. They catch one for outside the workshop, they go close that workshop. You know if they chop again. If you be welder, you get boys. And they catch anyone for outside. That workshop, you know if they chop again. So I beg, make una look the boys when they carry follow worker. When I have some kind youth with the enter on our house. I beg, I beg una this morning. So make una share the video. I don't want to play an Amigo voice. If I to plan, I'm going to meet her this morning. And I know say I know they like to analyze video. If I analyze, I'm going to meet them well. So for that simple reason, I shall plan it just and it's okay. So because of church when you come now, Benin man, we know say Benin man, I be Benin man, go take man, they criticize some kind things. It's not good. Nigeria for drop this video for this morning. Mona have share this video, may go viral. Mona come on for batting my brothers. What the boy with daddy. What beg anyhow. Owe my Iduoriyekemwen, I am with those that me and Wona, what did they say do now? They say that as I hear, they say that they kidnap people for the hotel. Now then they do meeting of bad boys. Now then they do meeting of bad women. Now then they do meeting when they want to go do bad things. Now they make the carry people to Zaita the house now. They want scatter around. If not the person will get money, say now that's what you get now. Our brother, the one way take kill BP, our brother, the one way take come out for body, he get work when he learn, when he did small. Now that one called the gain encouragement. He called the gain happiness. You say that to our brother when they scatter your hotel that time, you go dance. Make people not go to warrior. You go all the boy obi man natata, obi man natata, obi man natata, obi man natata. Only like with people. So if you don't come get where you go now, you don't learn handwork. You can't happen say the still scatter your hotel like this. What you can do? Me no go carry cutlass. See you want to do farm for village. Full I need it for side bush. Full I need it for side bush. So for that simple reason, I the beg una, while the boy is done it. While the boy is done it. Me no come be say this kind of thing we want start now. 8 years still big. Now let's 6 months. I be 8 months now we don't chop with size 8 years. So your boy is done it. Because if he come out now, another 8 years, then it's deco the corner, the same law will still continue. So for that 16 years, why are the pets? Why the boy will be done it? Make una come out for batting. Only 1 year, he reach man take change for evil way. Imagine when it's sigma, when it's sigma. No ya gbon wa ni, no ya do wa mo, ni do wa mo. E do wa mo. E le no wa kwiko na ya do wa mo. No do mo go no worry. Level. So why you can't say